What if the smartest robot ever created wasn't built to replace humans, but to protect them? Imagine a machine that never sleeps, never gets tired, learns every second, and can save lives, build cities, explore distant planets, and solve problems faster than any human ever could. This is AETHER-X, a futuristic AI robot concept inspired by the incredible future of artificial intelligence and robotics. But here's the real question. If AETHER-X became real tomorrow, would humanity be ready? Stay until the end, because the final vision of AETHER-X might completely change the way you imagine the future. Let's begin. Standing nearly 2 meters tall, AETHER-X is built with sleek white and silver armor designed for speed, precision, and durability. Its glowing blue eyes constantly analyze its surroundings while every movement feels smooth and almost human. Every part of its body has been engineered for maximum performance and reliability. Inside AETHER-X is an advanced AI brain capable of learning from every experience. It understands conversations, recognizes faces, analyzes complex situations, and adapts within seconds. Unlike traditional robots, AETHER-X becomes smarter every day, making each mission more efficient than the last. Imagine waking up while AETHER-X has already prepared breakfast, organized your daily schedule, adjusted the lighting, and checked the weather. It helps children with learning, reminds elderly family members about medication, and manages your smart home with incredible efficiency. Instead of replacing people, it makes everyday life easier. Inside a futuristic hospital, AETHER-X works alongside doctors and nurses by monitoring patients around the clock. It quickly analyzes medical data, delivers emergency equipment, and responds within seconds during critical situations. By handling routine tasks, it allows healthcare professionals to focus on saving lives. When earthquakes, floods, or fires strike, AETHER-X enters dangerous areas that are too risky for humans. Using advanced sensors, it searches for survivors, creates safe rescue paths, and delivers emergency supplies. Every second it saves could mean another life rescued. In next-generation factories, AETHER-X operates with incredible precision. It assembles complex machinery, inspects products for tiny defects, and works continuously without fatigue. Human workers can then focus on innovation while robots handle repetitive and hazardous tasks. Beyond Earth, AETHER-X becomes the perfect explorer. It collects samples on Mars, repairs scientific equipment, and builds research stations in environments too dangerous for humans. Robots like this could prepare the way for future space missions. As AI continues to evolve, humans and intelligent robots begin working together in smarter cities. Transportation becomes safer, healthcare becomes faster, and everyday technology becomes more helpful. The future is built through cooperation, not competition. Inside a secure research laboratory, engineers activate AETHER-X for the very first time. Blue energy flows through its systems as its processors come online. Slowly, its glowing eyes open, marking the beginning of robotics. After completing demanding missions, AETHER-X enters a futuristic wireless charging chamber. Intelligent systems monitor every component, restoring power quickly while preparing the robot for its next assignment. Connected to a powerful AI command center, AETHER-X processes weather updates, emergency alerts, traffic systems, and global information simultaneously. Massive holographic displays allow it to make intelligent decisions within moments. Patrolling futuristic cities, AETHER-X uses advanced sensors to detect unusual activity, identify hazards, and support emergency teams. Its goal isn't surveillance, it's helping create safer communities through intelligent assistance. Every conversation and every mission teaches AETHER-X something new. It improves its understanding of science, engineering, languages, and human behavior, making it more capable with every experience. Human and robot, scientists, doctors, engineers, and astronauts work alongside AETHER-X as trusted partners. Human creativity combined with artificial intelligence opens the door to discoveries that neither could achieve alone. From simple industrial machines to advanced humanoid assistants, robotics has evolved at an incredible pace. AETHER-X represents the next step in that journey, a future where intelligence and technology work hand in hand. Future transportation, autonomous cars, flying taxis, and intelligent traffic systems communicate with AI robots to create transportation that is faster, cleaner, and significantly safer than ever before. As the sun sets over a breathtaking futuristic city, AETHER-X stands on top of a towering skyscraper, watching humans and robots build a better world together. Lights illuminate the skyline as flying vehicles move silently through the air, showing a future driven by innovation and collaboration. AETHER-X may be a concept today, but the technologies behind this vision are advancing faster every year. The future is no longer something we only imagine, it is something we are creating. Now the question is yours. Would you welcome AETHER-X into your home, your workplace, or even your city? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the future, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Roboworks and turn on notifications for more amazing AI and robotics content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.